Hey guys, what's up? It's me, EJ Skater again, my friend Hunter again. And well, this time,
but you know what, honey?
it's a cracker.
We could put this.
It's a cracker with Miracle Whip with lemon juice. And
I have a question. What is that?
With the furniture.
that's just part of the lemon juice. Alright, you ready?
It's chunks?
No. You ready?
No.
Go ahead, try it. By the way, that's my mom and dad. They're just saying that.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Here, come on, do it. Let's go.
Maybe in between them.
This fight for
Those three walls there, there's not going to be anything because the TV is actually going to be up.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude.
And then I was thinking that the stand that
Put it.
flat
No.
screen is on. We're going to do that.
Sign out. Oh guys, also, you can post what you think he should eat. So comment, rate, and subscribe. And in the comments below, please enter what you would like to see him try. Alright, so see you later.
And then maybe another end table there with a lighter, however.
I barf.